Hi guys, my name is Diana, and today we'll be talking about what a safe space faith-based fundraiser is and why it's important. Let's dive right in. So, a safe space faith-based fundraiser is a campaign that helps establish a space where teens and youth can freely express their faith with no judgment. In a world that normalizes sin, this space matters because it creates safe gathering spaces where they could be themselves, provide youth led worship and discussions, create outlets for faith expression among themselves, and build a consistent supporting community where they could go to just be Christians. Here's what I did to help this fundraiser. So I focused mainly on how engaging and fun it would be. I used fun templates and minimal wording to not overwhelm my audience. My central idea was freedom to express faith without societal pressure. If another youth did this, I'd suggest that they try to make a connection to their experiences to make it feel realistic and easier for other youth to relate to. It also strengthens the overall impact of the project. Now let's reflect on this lesson. While completing this fundraiser, I learned that people are able to fully express themselves when they are surrounded by love and support. Thank you very much and have a great day.